Appreciate you for being here. Like, subscribe, comment. Started the day off, worked out. I'm about to get my day started. I am about to pretty much plan out my day, what I have to do, get some work done, run some errands. Yeah, and then I'm gonna take a little break later on once I'm done with all that. After the workout, I just ran to get a quick cut. Barber was able to squeeze me in, so I just went to get that done before I start my day. Look good, feel good. It's been a long day. I've been doing a lot, working, running errands. It's been a busy day, so I wasn't able to show too much of what I had going on. But as we go on, I'll show you guys more. Right now, I'm about to just hang out a little bit. About to do my evening workout. Do my little boxing session. Not doing anything crazy. I'm just learning the fundamentals of boxing, learning how to protect myself. You know, getting a little sweat in. You know, for multiple reasons, it's a good choice for me to take that on. So I'm just doing it for fun and to stay fit and to learn some things. You know, I'll be watching some videos and then I'll go try what I learned. You know, nothing crazy. I might sign up for a gym, boxing or a kickboxing gym later on. I don't know yet, but for now, I will just do this. And once I'm done with that, I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm just gonna hang out, eat, relax. If there's any games on, I might watch that. And I might record before the night ends, just to end on the right foot. Sometimes I like to record after a long day, just to decompress. Honestly, I love music so much. That's honestly like a way of getting it all out and just vibing, just chilling, you know. And sometimes I like to do it in the morning when I wake up, it feels like I'm starting my day off right when I do that as well. So it just depends on my mood. So boxing was fun. I try to do like 6 rounds. 6 rounds is like amateur boxing, 2 minutes. You know, just trying to get into the flow the flow of doing it right, and learning how to do it the right way, and learning little techniques here and there. Nothing crazy, just like I said, doing it for fun and for exercise. So that was fun. About to chill, for the rest of the night. I'm trying not to have too much on my plate each day, so I'm able to be efficient and I can still, just hang out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and catch you on the next one.